Welcome, welcome, welcome. It's your boy Terrence Pounds back with another crypto investment video. This time it's on BC Invest. And you see up top, it's been online for 120 days already. And you can see you can earn up to 4% per day. That's what that little finger up like that means, like up to. Didn't have enough space to put it there. Now, hey, before I go any further, let me say that I am not a financial advisor. A super risky YouTube dude, clever content creator. And before you invest in anything that I talk about on my channel, you need to understand that you're gambling. Now, if you understand what gambling means, that means that you can lose some or all of your crypto in every single project that I talk about on my channel. So if you know that, then that means you can lose some or all of it. So if you're an adult, you understand what I'm saying. If you hear the words that are coming out of my mouth, then you can always make the most responsible decision on what you decide to put your crypto in. Now, folks, before I get any further, if you would please go ahead and like, share, comment, and subscribe on the YouTube video. Please like it, share it, comment, and subscribe on the YouTube video. So BC Invest 120 days online. I remember when I first got into project because I've been in it since the day it launched. Somebody had kind of like scared me away from, talking about it because, just some things they said. However, it's still here. That person said they wouldn't be here next week, but guess what? They're still here 120 days if you're watching. Now, they're committed to lasting impact. Their way is rooted in a deep commitment to creating lasting impact. The commitment means that for us, success is anchored in the value we aim to live every day. Now, here's about Bain Capital, because BC Invest is a spinoff from Bain Capital. They're the world's leading private investment firm with approximately 175 billion in assets under management that creates lasting impact for investors, teams, businesses, and the communities in which they live. Founded in 1984, pioneered a consultant-based approach to private equity investing, partnering closely with management teams to offer insights that challenge conventional thinking, build great businesses, and improve operations. Over time, they've organically expanded the approach across asset classes to build one of the strongest alternative asset platforms in the world. Today, their teams strive to create value through private equity, public equity, fixed income, credit, venture capitalist, and real estate investments across multiple different sectors, industries, and geographies. They believe that their people and the shared values they've espoused since their founding remain the core of a competitive advantage. This has empowered them to deliver an enduring impact to a diverse group of investors, including pensions, endowments, foundations, and individuals. Folks, they have so much information on their website. It's very rich with tons of information. But you need to know that they develop partnerships, challenge conventional thinking, work with tenacity, and believe that character matters. You can hear about it from their team. You can play the video. Folks, you can also come over and see what BC Invest has to offer for you. You can accelerate your personal growth with supportive leaders who invest in you. You can be individually empowered and accountable as part of a collaborative, diverse, and inclusive team. Folks, you can come and read about their history starting back in 1984 with former Bain and Company partners founded Bain Capital as a private partnership. Now, folks, you can also see right here from 1984 up to the future of the current future, the funds that have been raised. And you can easily click through and get all the way up here to where we are. And let me get here. Okay, they stopped at 2020 here, right? But 350 M's there, 600 M's there. But this thing, oh, I'm sorry. There we go. 825 million. This just 1.1 billion. Crazy numbers. And then here's a combination of 1,600 members, 24 offices worldwide. And then, folks, you can come and see about the $175 billion in asset under management. Now, folks, you can come and get to their website, read a little more about it. And then here's the actual um, dashboard that you'll be logging into. My link will be in the description of the video if you want to get started. You can obviously see that BC Invest began with 1984 with Bain Company. And then you can obviously see how they have put this together to offer on the crypto side of things. Now, the legitimacy of this project was questioned at first, but I'm going to show you their documents, their certificate of good standings, certificate of fact of good standings, I'm sorry. And then, folks, you can also see the MSB registrant search for the business name. You can also come over and take a look at this collective partner A and partner B. And then, folks, the documents are right here on the website for you to be able to see for yourself as well, to check out their legitimacy. Now, folks, how they make profits. The cornerstone of investment is the philosophy to generate attractive risk for returns for investors by conducting rigorous due diligence at the cryptocurrency sector, company, and individual security levels. They seek maximize expected returns rather than potential returns through fundamentally driven bottom-up security selection that leverages the depth and experience of their investment team. Achieve asset growth by managing assets for clients while charging a profitable 7% management fee. Now, folks, let me get over here and then show you what this looks like. You can come and take a look at their investment products that they have, right? Now, we'll start on the low end of products, folks. They have the 1% to 1.5% per day. You can get started with a minimum of $20. It's a 14 to 28 day cycle. And then, folks, the next plan here, you can get 3.2 to 4% per day. And then you run on a 7 to 28 day cycle. And then, folks, if you want a shorter duration of time, you can do a 3% to 3.5% per day. And this runs just a minimal of $10, 12-hour cycles to 7-day cycles. And then, so, folks, when I originally got started with the 1 to 1.5, but it just doesn't make sense. If you got $20, you need to be at least right here, right? So I went in this one because of the shortness of time. And then let me show you how it works. You would bring this up right here, folks. And then you see I got $3,042 sitting in my balance. You can make 3 to 3.5% per day, right? Now they got 12-hour cycles. If you want to jump in twice a day, every 12 hours and run a cycle, you can run a 1-day cycle, 3-day cycle, or 7-day cycle. Just depending on what type of person you are. If you want to set it and forget it, then you need a longer cycle. But if you like to jump in every single day or every couple days, you choose for you. Yesterday, I did a short 3-day cycle on here, and it was worked simply like this. You see, I got $3,042 there. So what I can do is come in right here. Get out of my way here. Okay. And then I can decide how much of this I want to invest. So I can throw $1,000 right here in the 12-hour cycle. And then I can go ahead and click start invest and then go ahead. Folks, they take USDT TRC20. And then you can see right now that this order is now working for $1,000. It tells you when you opened it and it tells you when it ends, just in case you forget. And then it also shows you finished orders over here, which was the order that I ran yesterday for $3,000. And then now I still got $2,000 left. No sense in letting that sit there. But 6 o'clock in the morning, because it's 6 o'clock in the evening, I'm not going to want to get up then. Now I'm just going to go ahead and put this on the 3 days right here. I'm going to go ahead and start investing. And then, folks, I'm going to do the rest of this 2042 so I don't have to jump back in here for another 3 days. I'm going to go ahead and click that. Now I have invested and I'm successfully going. Now, folks, if you want a longer time frame, you can easily come over here and pick up to your 4-day cycle. You can see how start investing looks here, which starts at a 7, 14, or 28-day cycle. If you're one of those people who really just like to set it and forget it. But folks, this is BC Invest. This has been pumping. It's been online for 120 days. If you do want to refer people, folks, you can come over and click on my team. And then this is where your referral link is. You can copy that and get that sent out. Well, thank you very much, folks. They're on my website. There's also a sub chat in my Telegram channel. And if you need links to any of that information, it will be right inside of the description of the video as well as on my website. Thank you very much for listening. God bless you and peace.